Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're talking about a product that promises to take your brows from meh to magnificent in seconds. If you've ever struggled with sparse or unruly brows, you know how important it is to find a product that not only fills in, but also lifts and shapes your brows without making them look artificial. That's exactly what we're going to see with the Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel in shade number 4, Medium Dark Warm. Before we dive into how this works, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an honest, in-depth review like this one. So let's break down what we have here. The Benefit Gimme Brow is a volumizing gel designed to shape, define, and add instant fullness to your brows. It's got tiny fibers that adhere to both your skin and hair, giving you the illusion of thicker, fuller brows with just a few strokes. The product comes with a super fine precision tip brush, making it easy to apply even in the most delicate areas of your brow. As for the formula, it's designed to work quickly, no need for expert-level brow skills here. You just press the brush to your brow, and with short pressing motions, you can define your shape and fill in sparse spots. The gel itself is buildable, so you can create a natural look or something more bold depending on what you're going for. I started using it alongside Benefit's Precisely, my brow pencil, which is their best seller. I found that the combination of these two products gave me the perfect balance of shape, definition, and volume. The Gimme Brow Gel helped add that instant volume to my brows, making them appear fuller, while the pencil gave me the precision I needed to define the edges. In terms of ease of use, this product was a breeze to incorporate into my routine. The tiny brush makes it incredibly easy to target smaller areas where you may need a little more coverage. It also doesn't dry too quickly, so you have time to blend and build without feeling rushed. What impressed me the most was the gel's ability to build natural-looking fullness. Unlike some brow products that can look painted on, Gimme Brow gave my brows a soft, realistic finish. Just enough volume to make a noticeable difference, but nothing too over the top. Plus, it has a long-lasting hold without feeling stiff or crunchy. But it's not all perfect. While the product does a fantastic job at providing volume, it's a bit tricky for those with very thin or sparse brows. If you're someone who needs a lot of definition or precision in areas where the gel can't fully adhere, you might need to pair this with a pencil for the best results. Also, though the small brush is great for most people, I found it a bit challenging to use in the tail of my brows when I wanted a more defined line. On the positive side, the Gimme Brow Gel is a great option for people who are looking for a quick, foolproof way to enhance their brows with minimal effort. It's also a solid choice for those with naturally fuller brows who just want to add volume and shape without overcomplicating things. Now let's talk value for money. At 0.1 aughts, it's a bit on the pricier side, but considering how little you need for each application, I believe it's a fair price for what you're getting. The product delivers on its promises, and the tiny fibers are effective at creating volume where it's needed. If you're someone who frequently struggles with your brows and wants a fast, reliable solution, I'd say it's worth the investment. In comparison to other brow gels on the market, Gimme Brow holds its own. It's a great alternative to some of the drugstore options, which can often be too thick or difficult to control. Some more affordable options do exist, but they don't offer the same precision or fiber-filled formula that Benefit does. As for the build quality, the packaging is sleek and simple. The tube is compact, making it easy to carry around, and the brush is well designed to give you full control over your application. I also appreciate that it doesn't dry out quickly, so you can take your time to work with it. If you've ever had an issue with your brows staying in place all day, this product is a real game changer. I found it lasts through all kinds of conditions, from long work days to workout sessions. It holds my brows in place without feeling sticky or heavy. So here's my final verdict. The Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to add a little more volume and definition to their brows. Whether you have naturally thick brows or need a little extra help in certain areas, this gel will do the trick. If you're on the hunt for a product that delivers natural-looking results with minimal effort, you'll definitely want to give this one a try. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this review helpful, please give us a like, subscribe, and click that bell icon. And if you're ready to grab it, you can find the link in the description or comments below. If you've tried Gimme Brow, let us know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.